Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. If you're looking for a fun, eco-friendly, and super practical way to get around, today's video is for you. We're counting down the top 5 best electric tricycles of 2026 for adults, perfect for commuting, running errands, beach rides, or just enjoying the outdoors. We'll cover the specs, performance, comfort, pros and cons, and help you decide which trike is the perfect fit for you. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'll share my personal top pick and tips on choosing the right electric tricycle. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Gmax Electric Tricycle for Adults. 20-inch by 4.0 fat tires, great for sand, snow, or rough roads. 36-volt 350-watt motor with 13 amp-hour lithium battery. UL-certified motorized 3-wheel bike with a large rear basket. The Gmax trike is a very solid and stable ride. Its fat tires provide excellent traction on different terrains, which makes it perfect for beach trips or winter rides. The rear basket is huge, so you can carry groceries, a backpack, or even a small cooler. The motor is strong enough for city commuting, though it's not the fastest in the lineup, ideal if you're looking for a relaxed, safe ride. I tried it on pavement and light gravel, and it handled beautifully without tipping or wobbling. Pros: very stable on different surfaces, spacious rear basket for storage, comfortable for adults of all ages. Cons: heavier than some other trikes, so lifting it manually can be tough. Moderate battery range compared to high-end models. If you plan to carry heavier loads, the Gmax is a reliable choice. Just make sure you charge it fully for longer rides. Number 2. Eskute E-Trike Electric Bike. Peak 1200-watt brushless motor, 18 by 3.0 fat tires, 499 watt-hour removable battery, up to 55 miles per charge, step-through folding frame, 18 plus miles per hour top speed. The Eskute E-Trike is a powerhouse. With a 1200-watt motor, it's perfect if you want speed, long-range rides, and power for inclines. The folding frame is great if you have limited storage at home, and the step-through design is super convenient for all riders. Riding it feels smooth and controlled, even at top speeds. For commuting or long weekend trips, this trike offers one of the longest ranges in today's lineup. Pros: high-powered motor and long battery range, foldable for easy storage, comfortable ride for different heights. Cons: bulkier when folded, slightly higher price point. This is a great choice if you want a balance of speed and convenience. Make sure to adjust tire pressure for a smoother ride on rough roads. Number 3. E-Trike Electric Bike. 350-watt, peak 750-watt motor, 2 seats, 480 watt-hour removable battery, step-through 3-wheel design. Up to 45 miles per charge. This dual-seat E-Trike is perfect for parents, couples, or anyone who wants to ride with a passenger. Both seats are comfortable with back support, and the handling is surprisingly smooth for a 2-person setup. Battery life is solid, and you can go up to 45 miles, which is enough for most daily errands or a leisurely day out. It's a bit slower than higher-powered trikes, but if you prioritize comfort over speed, it's a fantastic option. Pros: 2-seat option for shared rides, comfortable for longer trips, good battery life. Cons: slower than higher-powered trikes, less cargo space compared to single-seat models. Ideal for family rides. Remember to distribute weight evenly for best handling. Number 4. VIRIBUS Electric Tricycle for Adults. 26-inch wheels, 250-watt peak 500-watt motor, 468 watt-hour removable battery, supports up to 330 pounds, designed for seniors and adult riders. The VIRIBUS is designed for safety and comfort, making it perfect for seniors or anyone who wants an easy, stable ride. The step-through frame and wide tires make mounting and riding effortless. It's not as fast or powerful as some of the others, but it excels in stability and ease of use. Even if you have limited experience with tricycles, this one will feel very natural to ride. Pros: lightweight and stable, supports heavier riders, comfortable, safe design. Cons: lower motor power, so uphill rides are slower, not ideal for long-distance commuting. If safety and stability are your priority, this trike is a winner. 5. Kakigo Electric Tricycle for Adults. Peak 1350-watt motor, 48-volt 15.6 amp-hour battery, 20 by 4-inch fat tires, aluminum folding frame, front and rear baskets, top speed 20 mph. The Kakigo trike combines power, speed, and practicality. It's one of the fastest models today with a 20-mile-per-hour top speed. Dual baskets make it perfect for shopping or commuting, and the aluminum folding frame adds durability while still being foldable for storage. Its fat tires handle rough roads effortlessly, and the motor gives a smooth boost even on inclines. Pros: high-powered motor with fast speed, dual baskets for storage, durable folding aluminum frame. Cons: heavier than other trikes, slightly more expensive. Great for those who want a fast, versatile trike for errands or weekend rides. Make sure to keep the battery charged for consistent performance. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Have questions or want to share your thoughts? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. And if you want to check out the products we reviewed today, the links are in the description. See you in the next video.